If you are also tired of these little mosquitoes and mosquitoes, today I am going to teach you a super effective method. And with things you have at home. Here at home we always do this, and it works great. We start by putting it in a small glass. It can be one of those American cups or whatever you have in your house. We will put in as much coffee as we can fit. It will depend on the size of your cup, okay? I'm sure you will thank me after this tip. Let's put coffee in the cup and do it like this, people. Guys, if you are new here, comment the city you are watching us in. And I'm going to take this opportunity to pass on a message from Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." That is, to trust in God with all our conviction, heart, mind and strength is important in order not to become self-sufficient or make ourselves personal idols. Only God is worthy of all trust. Trust Jesus completely and walk in Him always. Reflect on this message, and meanwhile I will continue the video. Squeezing it to make the coffee well compacted, okay? It has to be well compacted in the cup, because afterwards we are going to make a kind of hole in the middle to continue our recipe. Well, I left that much coffee, and now I'm going to set it aside. Now we will also need the candle wick. Just the wick, okay? So I'm going to cut this candle here in the middle. As my glass is small, I won't need the whole wick, right? So I'll cut it in the middle, okay? Now I will open a candle in the middle to remove the wick. While I'm cutting it here, guys, answer me a question. In your house, there are a lot of mosquitoes inside your house, and a lot of mosquitoes at night that you can't even open the window. That's it, people. I took out the wick, okay? Just this little piece, okay? Now I'm going to get my coffee again, and with the help of a knife or something else. You are going to make a hole in the middle and do it this way, okay? To open the space so you can put the wick in. After this hole is made, we are going to put the wick in there and close it by compacting it again. And if you also like this kind of recipe tips for home, don't forget to follow our Health First page, okay? Every day there's a new recipe here. Now the last ingredient we will use is cloves. Personal cloves are great. They give off a smell that expels all the mosquitoes. We will use from 5 to 10 units. You can also put more according to the size of your glass, okay? And that's it, folks. Now let's just put the fire in the wick. It will go out and just release this smoke. That's it. This smoke will expel all the mosquitoes and mosquitoes from your house. Leave the window open at least a little bit so that the smoke comes out, okay? I hope you have enjoyed this tip. God bless you all and see you next time.